السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته دمان مدى الصوماليات وإذ السلامة وولاشينا من لك اوفيشيال ولا ريال ويل كانت أرقيسان هبين دويتان إدين سو قد بي أرميهيسا ويل يرو لبيو تمنجرو إيتوبيانا وكا قيب قالي ترتن كتيك توغا وحيابها دباتادو تيك توغو كيانو وادوكتهين عرورتا إن لو قد ديغو أيان رباها دي لا يراهدو waxaa ka jira khatar badan baa TikTok ka socota taasoo la yiri hala sameeyo qofka intuu neeftiisa isku dhajin karo ha isku dhajiyo waxay yiraahdaan black out challenge inuu qofku neeftiisa isku celiyo wiilkan oo isku dayay oo habeen dhawaatii soo gudbiyay waxa hadda la sheegay inuu dhintay 12 jir sababtaas buu dhintay TikTok aawadeed marka ciyaalkiina ina uga digtaan hadii Ilaahay yiraahdo insha Allah newskiisana waa ka hadii Ilaahay yiraahdo arka
social media challenge. Joshua Haliosis was found unconscious in the bathroom of his family's Aurora, Colorado home by his brother. His father says Joshua appeared to have tried to choke himself with a shoelace. He was taken to the hospital where he was put on life support. After 19 days, he succumbed to his injuries. The family says they believe Joshua was doing a social media challenge, similar to what is known as the blackout challenge. People try to hold their breath for as long as they can. A week after Joshua went into the hospital, his heartbroken father wanted to warn parents and children that this challenge is not a game.
Living a life, and I hate other parents to go through this.
A GoFundMe account has been set up to help the family. It has raised more than $180,000 so far.